For me, it's only when I started doing the job, I realised what the job entailed. So it's kind of like, it's so vast. I mean, you meet people from a day-to-day basis that you never would have really met had you not really taken on this role. And I think for me, because we're ensuring the quality and the safety and making sure the products legally can come out and sell in the UK, there's a lot of responsibility we have ethically. And I think because Tesco is a growing business, with any kind of growing business, you're going to get that negativity. So, and I think for Tesco, for me, the thing that surprised me was that their kind of commitment to their corporate and social responsibility. For me, coming into Tesco, I've worked on product design, so I've seen the product from conceptualisation stage to realisation to manufacture, so seen it on the shop shelf. So essentially for me, it was actually seeing it in terms of commercial sides, because a lot of the products I was working on was kind of industrial based, so it's just products that essentially would never be sold commercially. So with Tesco, these products have the intention to be sold on the shop floor. So you work with the buyer has the concept, the idea, and you work with them, and essentially you kind of risk assess the product from the onset, so you know if it's not going to work, or if there's going to be too much legislation that's going to have to for it to pass through. And there's just stuff that's quite blatantly obvious that screams like, listen, this is too much of a high risk product, it's not going to sell. I think really my career is going to be upwards and onwards really. I think for me, because the programme is quite fast tracked, I think that, and it kind of makes you have an appetite to want to do more. And I think that Tesco promotes career progression. I mean, just recently there have been people on my team that have been promoted and moved on to various other teams through talent planning. So the opportunities there, I think you're only really limited by yourself.